When having a barbecue, have you ever thought about a question? Since wood is easy to gather and burns right away, why do we go to such great lengths to smolder wood in a sealed kiln for days, just to turn it into pitch black charcoal? This sounds exhausting and totally unnecessary, right? But actually, charcoal is essentially the evolved version of wood. Today, let's talk about what happens after wood becomes charcoal and what hidden attributes it awakens. 2. How is charcoal made? It's not just random ashes from burning. It's created through a scientific process called dry distillation. Imagine that wood contains a lot of impurities, like moisture and wood tar, as well as some strange volatile gases. We stuffed the wood into an airtight space and heated it. At this point, the wood doesn't catch fire, but the moisture and impurities inside can't stand the high heat, so they all turned into smoke and escaped. The black bone that is left behind is the purest fuel, carbon. The three super abilities of charcoal. Why do we absolutely need this pure carbon? Because it has 3 super abilities that wood can't match. First, fiercer firepower and higher temperatures. When wood burns, its energy is drawn away by its internal moisture, so it's hard for the temperature to soar. But charcoal is almost pure carbon, acting like a concentrated energy pack with highly focused firepower. This is why barbecue joints and blacksmiths must use charcoal, because it can easily break through 1000 C, which wood simply cannot do. Second, no smoke, no smell. Say goodbye to tearing up. Have you ever been smoked by a campfire to the point of crying? That's because of the impurities in the woods acting up. Charcoal, during its production, has already eliminated those smoke-producing impurities, detoxifying and removing them. So grilling with charcoal won't smoke you out so much that you can't see, nor will it coat your food with a strange tar smell. Third, incredible endurance. Although it burns brightly, it quickly burns out and turns to ash. Charcoal is like a marathon runner. It can emit heat steadily for a long time. You don't need to keep adding wood. Just a few glowing red coals can last you through grilling a whole box of meat. For wisdom of the ancients. In ancient times without gas or electricity, charcoal was a true lifesaver because charcoal is lighter than wood and easier to transport since the moisture is gone. Moreover, when heating indoors, the smoke produced by wood could suffocate people, whereas charcoal was a relatively safe and clean choice. Of course, nowadays we all know that no matter what you burn, ventilation is absolutely the most important thing. Otherwise, carbon monoxide poisoning is no joke. 5. To sum up, so burning wood into charcoal is not a waste of time, but an upgrading process of eliminating impurities and keeping the essence. It makes energy stronger, cleaner, and more durable. Next time you barbecue, when you're sweating trying to start a fire, looking at that pitch black charcoal, remember to appreciate this wonderful scientific evolution.